Hello everyone, this is Ben from Ben Daily Tips. Today we are going to fix a common problem on Windows. Sometimes you can't open your photos on Windows and get this error. Windows Photo Viewer can't display this picture. Let's fix that. First, you should go to your Windows search bar, type in Color Management, click on that, and in Color Management dialog, go to the Advanced tab. Here on Device Profile, System Default is selected for me. Change it to Agfa. And after doing that, you should click on Close button. Sometimes in order for this setting to take effect, you need to restart your Windows. So do that. After that, you're good to go. That's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial.